Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find draft post on Facebook. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important step. So first of all, you need to open your Facebook application and then you need to click on what's on your mind option. After that you need to type something, for example, hello everyone, and then click on the cross button at the top left corner. Then you need to click on the first option, Save Draft. After that, to find your draft, you need to click on the menu button at the bottom right corner, and then click on your profile icon. After that, you need to scroll down, and then under your posts heading, you need to click on What's on Your Mind option. After that, as you can see, you can edit your draft. So there are more easy way how to find your draft. You can open Facebook application again, and then under Facebook heading you need to click on What's on Your Mind option, and then as you can see, this is your draft. After that you can click on the next button at the top right corner and post this draft. And that's how to find draft posts on Facebook. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.